Hello, welcome to the Mendhi of the people of the Chittagong. Shall I take you forward or not? Come with me on a ride in a rickshaw.
Hi.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is the first time we're in a Bengali wedding. We haven't been to one before. A wedding here in Bangladesh is split into 3 days, so people party basically for 3 days. We've seen something similar in India and in Pakistan for like as a reference. Like people celebrate here like the first day of marriage, then the second day they have the Mehendi party, which is held separately for the bride and the groom, and in the third day there's the actual wedding, which reunites the two people into one marriage, and there is one common party for everybody. So tomorrow is the actual wedding, but today we're doing the festivities, and we wish the bride and groom many happy days together, and may they be healthy and have anything they want in their lives. So we're super happy to be here in Chittagong at our first Mehendi party with our friends, and we're totally enjoying it. It's the first time we're here, as I told you, in Chittagong in a Bengali party, and our friends are showing me the selfie corner, for example, where everyone is taking a selfie. So the ladies are very nice here, they're taking pictures. So this is basically how a wedding goes, like a Mehendi party goes. One day before the big wedding, people take a lot of pictures together and they enjoy the time actually before the wedding. So this is also what we're trying to do here, to blend in with the local people, and this is why we try to embrace the local Bengali outfits and the local Bengali culture and music. And our friend Riku here is the best man who invited us to do this thing, and we're having a great time so far. Let's see what else is in store for today. Getting the warm-up.
apparently here is the eating section because people are eating here. And this is the kitchen, outdoor kitchen. Hello. Good, thank you so much. It looks amazing.
Chef.
Chef?
Yes.
Acha. Nice to meet you.
Help.
Nice to meet you. Very good. Very good. Onek moja. Onek moja.
Hey, come. Plain rice.
Hey. Jos Mamu.
Okay. We're washing the plate for the food to be served in. Oh, thank you, Michael. Waiting food. And we have a lot of food here. We have dal. We have beef
Dal.
dal. What else do we have?
Salad.
Salad.
Rice.
It's okay, I can.
It's a lot of food here. Oh, I don't think you can. Thank you.
Oh, a lot of food, holy mother of food. Acha. Oh, I get more food.
Oh, I don't put
More food. Why? Let's see. So good. Onek moja.
I think I can visit this. I think we can visit weddings just for the food.
Banyak juga kore. Hadir gol. Hadir gol. Malanian.
Oh, the dal is very good. And the mutton animal thingy is very good. There was a lot of food, and now I cannot walk anymore. I had too much rice. But we have to push through for the sake of the wedding. Too many people here, a lot of people. Yes, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Taxi.
Sure, taxi.
Okay, let's take a seat. Now we're taking a seat with the happy groom here.
Okay, let's see.
Thank you so much.
Want to have some cakes?
Right.
You have to feed him.
Thank you.
Everywhere.
You want to have some cakes?
I'm okay. It's okay. I can take this.
Wait, I guess
You take this.
can you
Okay, fine.
Thank you, man.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Check this picture.
Thank you.
parking lot and we're heading towards home, I guess?
I
Or
think
not?
yes. She's waiting towards home. Happy marriage, Samad, and
Happy wife and happy life.
happy wife, happy life. May all you have like a long life together and full of whatever makes you happy, guys.
Hey.